Welcome or welcome back. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. I thank you for joining me. A few of you have suggested that I do a fashion show of the things that I've made, and while I've been eager to do so, I only have a few items to show. I've lost weight and gained weight and lost weight and gained weight. So some of the things I've made I cannot wear anymore. And then some of the things, I just don't know what happened to them. I don't know if they got misplaced or lost or thrown away during our move, but I have no idea where they are. So what I have is just a mini collection of what I've sewn. So I am coming to you with a mini fashion show. Hope you enjoy.